Hi all, in this video I'll be speaking to you about social anxiety. Social anxiety is the term where a person feels very difficult to talk to anyone around. It can be a stranger or it can be a known person. They feel a bit humiliated. They hardly take initiatives talking to people, and physically they feel kind of rapid heartbeat increase and dizziness and stomach problem like trouble inside and muscle tension. These are the signs when they meet people in person, I mean to say. And physically they feel inside like this. Emotionally they feel weak and they feel inferior inside, and they will be feeling others are trying to hurt them, or they misinterpret any situation. And if anyone is talking in a positive way, they take it negatively. These are the few signs of social anxiety a person who is facing. And thinking, the cognitive setup of social anxiety person is also different. They think that people are gossiping about self, about the person, or else people are feeling again and again talking, and they give negative comments about them. And they think they've been targeted by people. These are the thoughts a person gets in a negative way. Always he or she thinks negatively, and these are the signs of social anxiety person. And it has to be treated as soon as possible if you think you have this. And always I say, you can sort it out as soon as possible if you are recognizing the symptoms or signs what you're facing. And few tips and few coping mechanisms, if you apply in your daily life, you can change. But there are few people, they have this extremes. Like they find it difficult to go to work, they find it difficult to do their daily work, the daily routine life. If this is happening, you have to meet a counselor or you have to meet a psychologist, a psychiatrist. It's always good first, it's always good if you meet a counselor, and with a proper interpretation and few tests they will understand what you're going through, and they will counsel you as right, as however they think it will work for you. And how it affects, how social anxiety in a person affects your life, this I will be talking right now. And the main first thing is self esteem. It just loses like anything. A person who is undergoing social anxiety and negative thoughts, again and again he or she gets negative thoughts. As I said, before also, they always think, feel, and go ahead in a negative manner. And always the first thing, the sign you have to understand is they hardly take initiatives, and they find it very difficult to take decisions in their life. And they feel depressed inside, they feel isolated inside, they find they like to sleep more and more. And if anyone wants to go out with the person, they give kind of reasons, and they try to avoid going out with anyone. And they are very very sensitive to any criticism given by anyone. If anyone gives them any negative or positive criticism, they can't take it in a right way. They understand that in a way that they've been targeted or they've been taunted or anything in that way which is negative. And they have poor social skills that do not improve much. So it's always good if you understand the signs and work on it as soon as possible. And meet a person in counseling. You have to take as soon as possible if you think it's interrupting your daily life. And you might be asking why this occurs, why a person feels social anxiety in his or her life. The problem will be, it may be related to the past experiences. It may be related more to the childhood, where the child might have not been encouraged by the parents or people around the person. Social anxiety starts from age 14. Age 14 it starts. and it can be because of the influence of the past. Maybe the child was not given positive strokes as much as possible. And trust, maybe he or she might be thinking that he or she is not trusted much. These all are included with the past experiences of the person, which increases year after year, and which is very difficult, where when the person is growing more and more, the person feels very anxious connecting to people, and it has to be treated as much as soon as possible. In my second video, I will be speaking to you about overcoming social anxiety. When it's always signs you've been recognized as much as earlier, it's always easy to overcome it with few strategies what I share in this video. In the next video, I will be talking about overcoming social anxiety. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching, keep sharing, keep liking, and if any questions you have, you can ask me. I'm always here to help you out. And again, thanks for watching my video.